We are so grateful to God for our Jingpaw language because he makes it unique. This time, let's see Jingpaw vowels. First, listen.
A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. Bum, young, mit, krum.
We all work together in unity to operate a mountain of rice grain.
Di, ka, ja, tu, ka.
Let's pan for gold at Eddy River.
In, do, nong, nga, gaba, song.
There are many big fish in Indal Lake.
Aurora, no, ba.
Dancing Manaw dance cheering Ora Ra.
La, goi, toi.
When the rooster crows, the dawn breaks. Now repeat after this.
Bum, young, mit, krum. Di, ka, ja, tu, ka. In, do, nong, nga, gaba, song. Aurora, no, ba. La, goi, toi.
Be careful while you are reading these sentences. For example, if you say,
no,
the meaning will be, there are a lot of cows in Indal Lake. We want to say, there are many big fish in Indal Lake. So catch the pitch of the sound, so that the meaning will go right as you want to express. We got some vocabularies here. Rice grain.
Bum,
Mountain.
cup,
River.
ja,
Gold.
nong,
Lake.
nga,
Fish.
gaba,
Big.
ula,
Rooster.
toi.
Date. Let's practice using these words in phrases and sentences.
Dan, ben, du, sna. Bum, lung, ka. Mrs. B, ka, gao, dung, jai, ka. Na, ja, ka, chi, gray, so, mai. Michigan nongo, amuni Matu, a kak e shirare. Na kwisaga. Nda shongo pun ka ba tu ai. Pamajo ula ni goyeta. Tai ni gon twai kajare.
Very well done. You appreciate God's gift of your native language by learning this lesson. You are one more step closer to master your own language.